Hello, friend. Today I'm chattering about lines, lessons, and a bowling reward. This afternoon, my husband Sam is taking our children bowling. We're an outdoor family, so bowling isn't something we normally go and do, but it's something Lila and Jack have asked for as their reward for last month. In our house, we have a line reward system. We started this as the children were not quick to help with household chores, but instead slow and reluctant. A family is a team and everyone needs to pull together and contribute for a peaceful house. Even the very little ones, there's always something that can be done to help, like laying the cutlery for dinner or putting sauces on the table. Lana and Jack are now bigger and can help with other things too, so each day they can earn lines for helpful and kind behaviour and also lose lines for unhelpful and unkind behaviour. At the end of the month, the number of lines they earn determines a reward, and this month they've chosen bowling. I have to admit, I find it much easier to give lines than to take them, but I've learnt discipline your children and they will give you peace. They will bring you the delights you desire. So, although it may be difficult for us all, fair and clear discipline is actually a reward as it prepares children for taking responsibilities and challenges that will come in life. Sam's now practicing his bowling arm, ready for a good competition. Strike! Remember, friend, that today is a good day, even when it doesn't feel that way. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.